Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix game chat not working for Roblox. And so as of right now there isn't actually a way to use game chat like through Roblox itself for PlayStation. So what you can do is, if you want to text your friends on Roblox, so you can what you can do is you can download the Roblox app on your phone, and then you can simply message them from there. Link the same accounts, make sure both of the on your PlayStation and on your phone is like the same Roblox account, and then you can simply message them from there. So that's one workaround. And if you want to like talk to them, and let's just say they're on like Xbox or PC, what you can do is you can actually just download Discord. And recently PlayStation has allowed Discord to like be installed, so that's good. And then you guys can basically just use Discord and then talk to your friends from Xbox or PC or whatever they might be on. And so as of right now, that is the only workaround and fixes for this solution. And so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.